Anaka minimo, but me ma me di free jump by or see a friend no Mario Kase.
He's an icon. He's a global icon. Yes, it's a Michael Jackson of Lumba one. They a tree casa paintia. But before Lumba's death, or you show be, no can be or say, crap.
Nyoma ebanu ye ankwa no ma kojo fosu me de me kra abo aforiye me yedie metumi se memra no so a kojo na maja ho.
We are really proud of Charles Kojofosu, a living legend, and we are extremely glad that today is a special day that is going into the books of history, that is going into Ghana history, music, chronicles. Today is a night, and it's so special not only because we are honoring a musician, but we are honoring a musician in the presence of dignified people, in the presence of nation builders.
Xposed GH, the name is Lumba. Maybe I'll be able to check a Sienna Emma. Also, subscribe me to my now, sir. Daddy Lumba. I was feeling ya. Yina Obia, a Jadua, Massa, a year, Baba, as in Puri, I wait yet, Asantophobia, where Ghana moon ye. Lumba or a Ghana, dear, the Ghana ye, Matipo says a parliament house, or more air Cassia, a man is state barrier. He deserves more than state barrier. He's an icon, he's a global icon. Yes, it's a Michael Jackson of Lumba one. They a tree casa paintia and answer proximity because Lumba will Africa. Lumba your brony and get to say and control stories about him. You will not need to move order. But before Lumba's death, or you show be no can be or say macramo.
Nyoma ebanu ye ankwa no ma kojo fosu me de me kra abo aforiye me yedie metumi se memra no so a kojo na maja ho nana chum Honorable Esla Owusu. Oh, madam, you both are sorry. Mama Champon, Mia Media. Mama Champon at Timmy, free grabbing. I'm in there, me Madru say. Now, young woman in focus here. Now, Mama, yes, you will feel that. Yamin Shroud. Miss Ramon Font and Buckets here, Mama Champon, and Santa Maco. Mama a Champon. What an extra me a Greek. Now, say a year me teacher phoning in Abbey, Mama. Said you could go for swimming, what school no? Now I'm so Busama or Becachero. Me the first, because he said me real school. And the Miami master, a Miami teacher, and you know, say, be a me can't try, no more Busano. Now so, and I'm a ready. Now, choir or warm minty. Or my media not to me too, baby. Emma ne. My jibro fonoka. I'm my son, Tino, I'm a touching year 40 years ago. No, I feel myself by me crew, my meshe. It's me, then Yamian Samama Champon. Medaso, Namada was say, oh, show. Ne a teacher for you now, no more jobby. Me refuse, dear. Madame Munyansi, Nana Chum. Nana Chum Berma, man, Casamba, a bear me, young son of my court, Fusemi Bonuma, a catu. Nana chum na ebra ye year me operation. Ebra ye year me spine operation. Ni papi nim. The only man says, me ira me ma warren no akosha sewa e na mama ye dro mama would there be. Akosha sewa on yes ade no. E ye me spine me mu and ye year no operation. Mama champon and de me call hospital ho. E ma ye year me operation. Sata me ye no nana chum. Ebegina na name etua eho kanyina etinam sama na wase na twumu ne wabusuafo ye meka se nyame nhira mu memfa mu ase da nida me sofo osofo pani May invite you last one will stage. Now you are me papa will so up on Paya Mommy. Or none an empire born last year or this me and they could tell me see this year. Yeah, bomb last song or see. Or see, and you might ban or see. Mamusha, young Ben, I mean, Mamu. And young bear. You see, a binum cry, you see me.
All be lie. All be lie. All be lie.
And you might have ban yet. I'll no ma. Could you foresee? Made me cry about a for you. Me yet ye met to me. Se membra no soa. Could you not make Jaho?
I need power be wua, minim, I macramo, so what crying, bravo, it's macramo. Because sometimes, no, o shed nima to two, na sabe, baby, and yamedu what do you say, na Olympus of the system. Na sister no di and em say, a pamo in yankopon koye, say yame, o dear mammy who sister keke, na mi ya fameko. Sometimes me kase, ye kasa ye can be a yankopon unless you don't believe in God. But people like me, who I believe so much in God, if I tell you, say, whatever you tell God, He will obey it and do it for you. I know what I'm talking about. Every person should be any person to be such a yame. Now to me, can ya whoop yame obey your mouth. Maybe I'm a good baby. Now, Lumba. Ghana has celebrated Lumba. Yeah, who said, or your eye contest celebrating. Yeah, one of the celebrations of Lumba.
I salute. Now, Medo, what can be? And I'm Ben Pan, Erin, don't pick out.
I'm not coming anymore. But me, my men, free jump by or see a friend, Mario Casse.
Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, the former President of the Republic of Ghana, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, I greet you. Your Excellency, former President Kufuor, I greet you. Your Excellency, the First Lady, former First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, I greet you. DL, Daddy Lumba, Charles Kojofosu, greetings. I do not want to bore you with a lengthy speech today. Today is a night of fun, a night of glitz, a night of party, a night of merrymaking. The Musicians Union of Ghana is proud to be here tonight. We are really, really proud of Charles Kojofosu, a living legend, and we are extremely glad that today is a special day that is going into the books of history, that is going into Ghana history, music, chronicles. Today is a night, and it's so special, not only because we are honoring a musician, but we are honoring a musician in the presence of dignified people, in the presence of nation builders, in the presence of entrepreneurs, business leaders, in the presence of a beautiful audience like yourself. And I think you all deserve a round of applause. I would plead with all of you for us to give Daddy Lumba a standing ovation. Thank you. On behalf of the Musicians Union of Ghana, which I represent as the president, we want to present to Daddy Lumba on this night this wonderful citation. And please, I read. The Musicians Union of Ghana is the national union of musicians in Ghana with over 4,500 members, incorporated in 9th December 1975. You were born Charles Kojofosu. From the early days when you were part of the Lumba Brothers singing group, through to when you became known as Daddy Lumba and later DL. Year after year, decade after decade, you have held Ghanaians and music lovers from all other parts of the world spellbound with the songs that are fine standards and raises eyebrows. You have continued to mentor and impact rare music skills into people who have turned out as celebrated musicians, and this is one of your loudest legacies, which would forever be engraved in gold when the music history of Ghana is chronicled. Charles K. Fosu, you are a living testimony that the contemporary Ghanaian musician is not just an entertainer, but an entrepreneur, a social commentator, an employer, and a critical investor whose works are renewable intellectual property that can reap great dividends. Charles Kojo Fosu, you are a musician worth celebrating, an institution worth learning from, an inspiration worth ovation. You have made musicians proud. You have made Ghana proud. The Musicians Union of Ghana is proud of you, and this is a token of our respect to you. This day, Saturday, November 12th, we confer on you this honor as the prodigy of contemporary high life music. Congratulations, Daddy Lumba.
There are many Daddy Lumba songs I like, virtually all. My favorite is Being With Her, and I hope he'll perform it tonight.
His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry Rawlings, His Excellency John Ajakum Kufuor, we'd like to thank you very much for joining us to celebrate Daddy Lumba at a very short notice. We invited you just about 3 days back, but you made it because you felt it was worth it, and we are grateful for your coming here. Now, Daddy Lumba, what you don't know is tonight is your night, and apart from everything, your mother, Mrs. Achampon, is in the building. Mr. Achampon, where are you? For being a faithful legend with 27 unparalleled albums, okay? Imagine advertising. We are presenting you with a gold medal, 24-karat gold medal, worth over $20,000 US, and your own mother, Mama Ichiampon, with the help of the Director for Central and Western Africa of Voice of America, Dr. Joy Singo, are going to do the presentation to you. Daddy Lumba, it's your time to come for your medal for being a living legend.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mama Echampong. About 30 years ago, I taught Charles in Jabin Secondary School. I'm just saying something brief because he mentioned my name on Adom FM when he was being interviewed, and that's why I said I was traveling tonight, but I decided to stop and come and meet him. Nepamochel, Jabin Secondary School, Ashanti, and Hona Charles Xposed School. Na Mesremu Bebre, Emra Charles Owie School no, and I Mr. Charles. Now Oya chorister, school choir. They had the Lumba brothers and a sister. The Lumba brothers were 4 young men, and then the sister was Teresa Abebrese. And When he finished school, he was so brilliant and very sportive. So I wanted him to continue. But Charles came with the mother and he was pleading, Mama Champon, please, I want to go to Germany. I said, for what, George? Why don't you stay? Sahone Yankopon dear for Charles Ebeye. And here we are. Here we are. And I'm so proud. I feel really proud because this boy came from a very modest home. And here he is. I'm so happy to be a teacher of Charles. Uncle Noma, made me cry. Thank you so much, Charles.
Don't you love this? Don't you just love this?
Lumba says thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, shall we applaud Lumba again and again and again?
Now you know what's coming.
Tell me.
Meaning Serama Bedua or Tunyumbi was it Metian Siemenya, dear me be one of my family can say. But this time he's living and your family can say Mumma Semano. This is the time we need to celebrate our heroes.
And in celebrating Lumba,
celebration dear. Senipa obeba no abeye ne ayasoma a ono aye ne yie enti enne ye bolumba dia ye bo ne de akai asempapa. He may have his flaws or nipa enti the flaws no are acceptable ye nyina nipa. I have my flaws but I also have my strength. Sabi obi betimi de akai me menye nyame enti bibia me bia enye nipa fe eni nyina nkosi. Nemom ni ametimi aye na me de aboa adasa eno na ese meye wo a wo hwe me o na me no kasa no ewiase a wo ba ebisa wo se me ba e de na maye a ochena me ni ho bi be kase abrantie o ho ankase ena wo hwe me obi wo ho no mo ba e boni nkwa no ndi wo wiasa papa ba ko onye one bonsam ye pe ko bonsam pe no onye papa na wo ye nipa dia as much as possible to make sure say the actions you take today ebeboa wiase ochena na yensa ko hwe another video anipa ensu na omutwa adwajo yenkomra
Anna papa na maya kwenza yanko yani no na didi wa yanko che asamo ma yanko oye nyame ni pa ben no ti oye nyame ni pa so man na kwala no so ma ya no achira ye wo se ko mo chi keep na papa na me sharo we are me say the station na be tie TV it's no that be papa we dey ah say nyame dia awko say nyame ni eni pada say dia odo to ko be say ya no ni ya no be be sisi ya mi ya be na manaba so na every come here for me mi ti di ni na ya duma clinic Ghana ti no bon hwe they do hang on here o so do boti ko why they do that they don't body think ko they do something why hey daddy my God, yeah, the question no, question no, yeah, but oh, we are
Lumba ni Yesu ni wo sa na ai ni papa ewu ni papa ewu enti Yesu ose Lumba anka owo ha Ankwa ma ye bibi kwa akoto aduane. Wo hwe me a wakyekere sika aba obo. Na wo de empempem agu afie demu. Ochina wo ni wa. What would the ordinary person remember you for? Asama Mike, I'm talking to politicians. I'm talking to pastors. I'm talking to people like me. Politician. Ma endu your friend say election time. And say na why your papa mobi. Your papa genuinely. And say me your papa no be atu abama me. Sa papa ni de nyankopon friend nyatwon. And then your papa jaye. To the pastor. Wo kwa sorry a nsuo to. Na wo kwa wo tika mu. Na wo sa sorry for me kase wo apo church members o. Wo sa sorry for ja kwa ho. Na wo ne wo yire petika mu. Na wa pom ho no akwa sorry dem mu. No akogina ho kase God loves you, you are a fool. Because if God loves me and God loves you, you pick me. Bible say, "Hwe ne afese anuanem ne anuanem babom no moye nipa baako." Asofo bi ti mo din. Asofo ebiti bebreti mo din. Odu wona o ye aduma ma say, "God bless you." Me wo ono kwagigi adamudiye. No wonder some of the stupid pastors are saying say, "Asori sikakra, ye mfa church members." Stupidity at its highest order. When you know, I'm from where Christopher, to the ordinary members like me and you, and dear Benna, and the ye dear boy in my Ghana. Now, ye dear boy, ye now, or Chinawa, or be I can say, Ben Waha and Na, and Cassay. Ben Waha and Na Cassay. Now, young Cassay, hey, me cry them a dance so because no in Pabonnet. Wa wo hwe me video we me pese ye de ye wonka ye se edu brebia manipa enya wo so mfaso enya wo te se we kristoni a wo tenesi obia na behind the scenes wo na bu nipa manipa enya wo mfaso na nipa enya wo mfaso a Kristo ebehia Lumba dem fa due Lumba fans nyamwo the world dem fa due hi Xposed GHFM members subscribe share me to my now as I can be manuals.